Hi guys, what's up? Wagwan? Welcome back to my channel. Glad to have you here today. You know it's a girl, it's a different thing, and I'm back with you with another interesting topic today. Today I am going to present to you a voice note of a young man who called the Jamaican police and threatening the police to release one of his cronies. He also demanded $2 million from the police. He also allegedly said that he is from the Sparta gang. I think this young man is trying to set up somebody, or I think this young man lick him head or him drink some mad puss piss. Now, in a time as this where technology is prevalent and technology is good, whether you call on a private number or you called on private and you do something like that, the authorities, they are going to fine you. No matter if you hide under the bed or you go and hide in the deepest ocean, they are going to fine you. You see, the thing about this, a lot of people believe that when they do some things in Jamaica, if the police want to fine you, they know and how to find you and where to find you. And so the mentalities of these young people in Jamaica is getting really out of control because these persons who are committing these type of crimes, they don't care, they don't respect the law, they don't respect anybody. And I believe these criminal minded people should just round up in a truck. The government just find all of them, put them in a truck, carry them go jail, don't even carry them go court, carry them go jail and just lock the cell and throw away the key. Because if they don't come up with a solution quick and fast, a crime plan solution, then it is going to get worse. Because every day you hear about these things happening, these kind of people, these it's one behind the other, behind the every day something is happening. It's not just Jamaica alone, crime and violence, they know, don't get me wrong, crime and violence they everywhere around the world, but we have to think about Jamaica, our little island, and these persons, they don't have no fear for no Mr. Body. They no care. They no care for authority, they no care for nobody, they no respect nobody. And so when the police find them, the police will just boom, bam, bam, and throw them in a jail. Because these persons, they are menace to society and they have they are criminal minded persons. And no matter what you do, some of them no want change. Some of them go in a prison, then come out back the same way. And we taxpayer have to pay for them in a prison and live big life. So guys, let me get out of the way and just present the voice note to you. Like I always said, take care of yourself, choose peace, walk good. You know this girl is totally out.
Go on.
Alright. Ricardo Moses, why you write this down? Ricardo Moses. Ricardo Moses must be freed from jail within the next 24 hours. Now, mechanic section now. $2 million must be placed down to we when we enter a station there. When we enter Freeport Station, $2 million must be sitting and waiting when we enter.
Okay.
And if you want to know who this come from, tell him it come from Ricardo.
Ricardo?
Little brother. Tell him it come from Ricardo, little brother from Sparta gang. Because since we don't think so now, bad and not this and whatnot, tell him it come from Ricardo, little brother from Sparta gang.
Alright. So by when that $2 million put on?
You must put on within 24 hours. If you don't put on, remember me tell her someone police are going dead. I mean, I mean dead by just shoot. I tell us them about torture and we're going to make a video and we're going to post it up. RGS 17. Think we're not up on.
Cut the phone cut off, man.
Huh?
Cut the phone cut off.
Yo, I'm good man, you know. I feel like I don't want dead for you right now.
Alright, so yes or no? $2 million are Ricardo Moses?
Yeah.
Must be released within 24 hours?
Yes.
Or you can shoot up the station?
Yes, and the $2 million have to be there, so. Remember, so the $2 million have to be there, the waiting. If we enter this, so, a problem now if we not sit. And not joking thing. I'm afraid to get shot in my bumbo and nothing that. They're killing me right now and nothing. Winter right now, I'm gonna shoot me down, but remember me telling someone I'm gonna go dead, no cap.
And you said this is from the spot again?
Yeah.
Alright, so.